Oh, he coming. Somebody coming.
Boy, you see that shit?
Bro, somebody coming, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Someone out there.
Oh, shit. Somebody coming. Oh, shit. Somebody coming, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hey, bro, turn the light on. I think, boy, it's the haunted head fisherman coming out the fucking water. Turn that shit back on, bro. But we gonna keep you safe, bro. We can't open the door right now. We can open the door right now, but we can open the door right now, so we can. It's all right, bro. I'll give you a cookie. Oh, you outside of the door. Hey, bro, turn the light real quick. Turn the light.
Hello.
Damn, bro. Oh shit.
Wow.
Look at that big head ass nigga. Got your neck. Get your ass in this house, boy. Get your ass in this house. Get your ass in this house. Bet you won't take nothing else outside without an adult, will you now?